Good morning, students. Last class we studied what? What topic? Last class we studied and discuss what? Promissory note. Very good. Promissory note is a writing document. Only is a value of writing document. Promissory note. Okay. Today my topic is discuss about entrepreneurship development, elements of entrepreneurship. The the term of entrepreneurs, a government encouraging for entrepreneurs today. A yearly 5 crore people is unemployment persons. Unemployment means disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment. Disguised means what? Disguised is a best example is agriculture. Agriculture is a 1 acre of land. 1 acre of land is a production in wheat means 1 acre is 20 kg bag only production. 1 acre, one ground land. But the family members is 5 members or 10 members. For 7 members means first 7 members morning 7 o'clock came in start the cultivating work. After 10 o'clock, prepare the lunch. Again, 3 members. You join the work. Totally 10 workers. But workers is level is increasing, but workers is may reduce or increasing means, but land production is marginal production activities only equal to 0. Labor's increase means production increase? No. Production same 20 bags only cultivating in one ground of land, only 20 bags only production. That is disguised unemployment. Seasonal means some seasonal work only is working for employees. Some other season means no production, no cultivation, this and all. Okay, today topic is the term of entrepreneur denotes the setting denotes the process of setting up the once a business venture that distinct from pursuing any other economic activity. Processing means interest or plan the carry out plan or any employment or practicing the some profession workers who doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, or professional workers. The persons who establish the business, the term of as entrepreneur, the output of an entrepreneurial process, end of the establishment and enterprise. Enterprise means what? Enterprise is a organization. The process of entrepreneurship has been a Entrepreneurship as being a depicted is following a diagram. Enterprise. Enterprise means organization. Next one, entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means some creative person. Entrepreneurship. Next one. Meaning of entrepreneurship. Next one is meaning of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship generated the employment opportunities to many people besides of providing self-employment. Self-employment is a part-time job. Some people of so many any one company or some organization is one of the employee, but some other remaining time is self-employment or work. To the entrepreneur, any business venture started the triggers means motivation. A varieties of economic activities like purchasing of raw materials, creations of unemployment opportunities, and so on. Thus, entrepreneurs become a crucial for overall economic development of a nation. Crucial means importance. Entrepreneurship can be regarded as one of the four major factors of production. This four factor of production may including only is a enterprise. Is any one shortage means totally economic activities is affected. What that is a four factor of production activities? Factors: land, labor, capital, organization. The four categories of income: what? Land means rent, labor wages, capital interest, organization is profit. Organization means that is enterprise. It is generally believed that entrepreneurs are born, but no country or society can afford to wait for the birth of entrepreneur. So pursue it is a development agenda. Pursue means following. What is agenda? Agenda means is a pre-planning. Pre-planning. You can some one function means first one prayer song, Tamitai Vatu. Next, welcome speech, chief guest speech. Next one, prize distribution and national anthem. This and all is a agenda, pre-plan of the function. That is agenda. The pace of the economic development of any country cannot be accelerated without creating a sense of awareness about the entrepreneurship among the people. The latter should be made to take a pride of climbing to the job provider rather than the job seeker. The government and the various other agencies involved in promoting entrepreneurship should carry on the noble task. Noble task means what? Noble task. Task is a planning, knowledge, is capacity. That is noble task. Spirit. The spirit of the entrepreneurship among the people, otherwise a seek of job. Next one is concept of entrepreneur. The entrepreneur is denoted the so many dictionaries is different definitions on 16th century and 18th century. That the term of the entrepreneur was used the realm of economics. Since the term of entrepreneur is used as a many way of various about the entrepreneur began to the surface. According to the entrepreneurs are now broadly classified into three categories. How many categories? Three categories of barrier, organizer and innovator. First one is a entrepreneur as a risk of barrier. Richard entrepreneur as a risk barrier. Richard Chantelian and Irish entrepreneur as a risk and barrier. Richard Chandelian and Irashman described the entrepreneur to be a person who assumes risk and inherent in the venture started by him. The entrepreneur acts as an agent combination all factor of production. What is factor of production? Land, labor, capital and organization. Factor of production to produce the product or service in order to sell at the uncertain price in the future. Uncertain price of the future. Knight also describe an entrepreneur to be an economic functionary who undertake the risk of uncertainty which cannot be insured or capitalized or salaried. Is a nutshell, entrepreneur is a described to risk taker. Entrepreneur is a so many risk. Is a 25 lakhs or 50 lakhs invest means that only profit next year only profit no earn, but some losses or some production sector is so many goods are not produced, some laborers problems or yeah investment problems, any one problems, or the entrepreneur is so many risk barrier. Next one, entrepreneur as an organizer. According to Jean Baptiste, entrepreneur is the one who bring together various factors of production and creates an entity to the produce a product or service and supervise and coordinate several functions is process. Several functions of process. He further elaborates and that the entrepreneur face a great deals of the obstacles. Obstacles means hindrance, so many obstacles and misfortunes. Misfortune means unfavorable. Misfortune means unfavorable and undergoes the mental agony. Agony means pain and excites in the process of organizing and venture is a some entrepreneur is described to be an organizer. Organizer is here so many hindrance, pain, unfavorable situations. All is sacrifice and next step only is a entrepreneur. Is a sacrificing mentality. First entrepreneur is psychological and mentally is a first sacrificed person only. Next one, entrepreneur as a innovator. Innovator. Joseph A. Schumpeter is an year of 1834 used a innovation. The innovation, famous innovation theory of who? Schumpeter is already studied in economics. Innovation as a criterion to define as an individual as entrepreneur according to him. Entrepreneur is one who they introduce a branded a new product in the market. Brand new product in market. Now what new product in the market? What? What ma? Anyone tell? No. Now branded mask. So many shops is branded mask. Next one, institute a new technology to produce a product. Institute of new technology. So many technologies, innovations, technological innovation. India is a overpopulation. is the largest, biggest country. That biggest country people say so many wants. That wants is fully satisfaction mean is only new technological only satisfaction. That new technology produce a product, so many products. Next one, discover a new courses of supply of raw materials. Supply of raw materials. Okay, students. Next one, important 5 mark question. Characteristics of entrepreneur. Characteristics of entrepreneur. Students, please note it down first. Characteristics. First one is, everyone note it down. Spirit of enterprise. First one is spirit of enterprise. Second one, self confidence. What second one is? Self confidence. Third one is flexibility. Flexibility. Fourth one, innovation. Who is that innovation theory? Who? Schumpeter, 1834. Next one, fifth one, resources mobilization. Resources mobilization. Mobilization means one place to another place. Money, material, technological market methods, etc. This and all one place to another place. Hard work. Any work means hard work means result only is successful. Result is successfully. But no hard work means no gain. Next, seventh one, leadership. Leadership is a very, very important role. Leadership is more powerful person means is subordinate work is fully proper works subordinates properly working. Next one, foresight. Next one, analytical ability. Analytical ability. Next one, decision making. These and all characteristics of the entrepreneur. The first one is a spirit of entrepreneur is a risk of arising from the venture undertaken. Entrepreneur should not get discouraged by setback of the fractions and emerging during the course of entrepreneurial journey. Spirit. Self-confident. What is self-confident? Each and every person is a talented person, knowledgeable person, self-confident persons. But that time only implement. Entrepreneur should have a self-confident persons. The high goals in achieve of the business. Goal achieve this year. My ambition is board exam 600 out of 580, 590. This is my goal. The negatively likes inconvenience of discomfort disappointments and rejections, fractions, and also should not weaken this sweetly resolves to make the venture grand success. Next one is a flexibility. Next one is a flexibility. Entrepreneurs should not doggedly stick to decision and rigid fashions. Entrepreneurs should change the decision made already in the right of over changing of the business environment. Flexibility. Entrepreneur so many factors. Entrepreneur any one factor shortage means the entrepreneur business is totally affected. Land or laborers means India is two types of the laborers, skilled laborers and unskilled labor. India's most of the unskilled laborers means some last stage of subordinate works only used. But skilled labor, skilled persons is many of the person working in foreign countries. Next one is innovation. Entrepreneur should contribute to something new or something unique to meet a changing requirements of customers, namely a new product, new method, new production, new distribution. The innovations is creating of the new ideas. Present market level, present consumer level, present situations, that is creating a new ideas, new product, new method, reducing the price level. New ideas creating a consumer satisfaction is a major part of the entrepreneurs. Next one, resources mobilizations. Resources mobilization means tangible inputs like manpower, money, materials, technological market, methods of one place to another place. The mobilize the innovations of so many. The resource of mobilization is tangible and intangible assets move in one place to another place, and intangible is inputs to produce a product is successfully. The entrepreneurship functions of gap filling and inputs of competitions. The market world is so many competition, that competition is field our individual persons. Yeah, so many of entrepreneurs, so many entrepreneurships, so many enterprises. The enterprises is a competitive world. My product is best only, another one that product, my product only best. So many competitions of the world. Okay, students, today my topic is entrepreneurship. India is a most of the unemployment persons, government encouraging the so many schemes of the entrepreneurship, some privileges, tax concessions, government implementations, many restrictions. That Indian new economic policy 1991 is a government, so many restrictions reduce the restrictions. Okay, students, balance next topic, next class, discuss. Okay, thank you. Students, do not waste your time. This question fully you read. Next class, I ask some questions. Okay, thank you.